Hi, this is David of Inspect Canada. In today's video, it's not about something that we find during our home inspection, but something that often triggers a phone call later on by the client. And I'm talking about noisy downspouts. When the water comes down the downspout, it sometimes drips and there's an elbow at the bottom and it goes click, click, click. And when the window right beside it is the master bedroom window, often clients complain they can't sleep. So in today's video, I'll show you exactly on how to quiet down a noisy downspout. At the bottom of the downspout, this is what we have, an elbow. And the water drips right here and it goes click, click, click. So the way that we quiet this down is by adding scrubbing pads. You can buy little packs of 4 like this, it costs absolutely nothing. You grab it, you fit it in the inside, but before you do, you have to glue them down, otherwise they're gonna come right down. So we're going to use this glue here. This is a PL glue. It's a construction glue, very solid, and this one is designed for metal. If you go to your hardware store, they have a lot of PL glue. Some are for concrete, some are for wood. You need something that is for metal. What I did is I basically filled up the back of the sponge and then I fit it right in there. And I have one right here that I've already done. We're gonna replace this elbow. So this is pretty much how it looks up there. You don't want something too thick because if there's debris that falls in there, it could clog up. So you need something fairly small and you need to have it glued prior to putting it out there because it might slide down. So let me go up there, set up the camera, and I'll show you how we install this. All right, so this is the setup that we have right here. Maybe you don't see it, but there's a flashing right here. So even if we take the elbow out, it's gonna go click, 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 and it won't fix the problem. So I had a little bit of a strap around here. I took it off just so it gives you a little bit of room. Then we're gonna put it back right after. Now I wanna finish this off with little screws. I wanna throw some screws on the side because this is gonna get wet and it's gonna be a little bit heavy and I don't want it to disconnect and then fall on the side here and then the same problem starts again. So we're gonna finish this off with a nail. We're gonna strap it very well and that's gonna be pretty much mission accomplished. I did bring a drill here. You could do it with a screwdriver if you wanted to. It's just a little bit faster. So let me try to put this elbow right in there. You can see the sponge is still fully glued and it's glued very well as well. So I'm gonna get that in there. Okay. And then I'm gonna finish it with my little screws. Might as well put one on both sides. We're already here, so might as well do this right. And that's it. So now it should be a lot more quiet. We'll ask with the owner if that fixed the problem later on. But right now, you know, if you had to call a handyman to come and do this, it's a 2 minutes job. I mean, the only difficult part, and it's not always going to be like this. Sometimes you'll have these elbows right on your balcony or they'll be right on the ground floor. Right here, the problem is that the master bedroom's on the 2nd floor, so you do need to use a ladder. So if you're not comfortable with ladders, don't go on them. They can be dangerous. There's a lot of people that hurts themselves every year on ladders. So, you know, just call a handyman, or if you get your roof maintenance done once a year, just ask them to do it at the same time. But if you're comfortable on ladders, it took us just a few minutes to get this done. Material wise, we're maybe under $10 for sure. And if you did have to call a handyman to do this, they would charge you at least a couple hours just for showing up, a couple $100. So here you have it. All right, just as usual, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell to get a notification each time we add a new video. And until next time, have a beautiful day.